Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this tutorial, I quickly explain to you how to display system information directly on your desktop using a small free tool called BgInfo, or Background Information Tool, which is a free tool from Microsoft. This is especially useful for IT professionals, system administrators, or even home users who want to track basic details such as IP addresses, computer names, and system uptime at a glance. BgInfo automatically fetches and updates this information, eliminating the need to manually check system properties. Stay with us as I guide you through downloading, configuring, and applying BgInfo to personalize your desktop with real-time system information. To download the tool, open your web browser and in Google search type BgInfo download. And from the search results, click on the official Microsoft sysinternals BgInfo page. Here you will find an introduction to the application, how to use it, its features, and more explanation. You may like to read everything about this tool. To download the tool, click on Download BgInfo. The tool is very small and the download will not take seconds. Once the tool is finished downloading, open the Downloads folder on your computer and extract the zip file to a folder on your computer. The folder from which you extracted BgInfo will open. Double-click on BgInfo64.exe for 64-bit systems or BgInfo.exe for 32-bit systems, and click on the Agree button to agree to open the application. The application interface is very simple. On the left, you will see a preview of the default system information displayed. You will find that it adds all the system information to the desktop. You can click on the Preview button to view the information on the screen before agreeing to it. By default, the BgInfo tool displays a ton of information. Depending on your display size, the information might not even fit. The good thing is that you customize which info is displayed. From above, you can reduce the font size to fit your screen size. Click on the Preview button again to see if the information displayed fits the screen size or not, as you can customize it according to your preferences. Here, each line displays a specific piece of information. If you do not want to display this information, you can remove the line, select it, and click on the Delete button. This way, you can control what information is displayed on your screen. You can also change the color of the font displayed on the screen to match the background on your computer. From above, select the color that suits your preferences. You can also add fields by selecting them from and adding them. You can also change the location where the information appears. On the desktop, by clicking on the Position button and selecting the most appropriate location on the screen to display the information. You will find more settings through which you can display the information on the screen according to your preferences. If you want to delete all the information displayed on the screen, select it and click on the Delete button and click on the OK button, and all the information will be hidden from the screen. And that's it. You can discover more about BgInfo by using the tool, as it is lightweight, easy to configure, and an excellent way to track important system details without opening multiple windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with IT tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.